What if I told you there's a secret force that can turn small amounts of money into a fortune without you lifting a finger? Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how compound interest works and how to use it to your advantage. Let's start simple. With simple interest, you earn money only on your original deposit. But with compound interest, your money earns on top of itself. Imagine planting one apple tree that grows more apples, and those apples grow new trees. Over time, you don't just have fruit, you have an entire orchard. Here's the math. Compound interest is calculated with this formula. A equals P, 1 plus R over N to the NT. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize it. Just know that P is your starting amount, R is the interest rate, N is how many times it compounds in a year, and T is time. The longer you let your money grow, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time is the most powerful part of this equation. Start with just $100, and at 10% interest, it doubles in about 7 years. Leave it long enough, and it becomes thousands. Most people underestimate what happens when you give compounding enough time to work. Let me give you a real example. If you invested $1,000 at 10% annual interest and left it for 40 years, you'd end up with over $45,000. That's the difference between spending money now and letting it quietly grow into wealth later. So how can you take advantage of compound interest? Start early, be consistent, and reinvest your earnings. Whether it's through savings accounts, stocks, or index funds, the key is to let time and patience do the heavy lifting. Now that you understand compound interest, here's the real question. Will you use this knowledge to build wealth or let time slip by? The choice is yours. If you found value in this, hit subscribe because we've got more powerful money lessons coming your way.